Hey, it's David from Vacation Tracker here, and in this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can set up the Seniority Entitlement automation. As the name entails, this feature allows you to automate the entire process in which you reward employees who have been at your company longer with more time off, which you should note is a legal requirement in certain countries or regions. To get started, as usual, you're going to log into your own Vacation Tracker account. In the left-hand menu, you're going to open up the Workspace Settings menu further, and then you'll click on the Add-ons section. From here, you'll need to activate the Seniority Entitlement automation if you haven't already done so. And all you need to do to activate it is to go to the tab Discover More Add-ons and then click on Activate. Once it's been activated, it'll appear here in this section along with any other add-ons you may have activated already. Next, you're going to click on View on the card for Seniority Entitlement, and now you're going to click on Create Automation. From here, you're just going to go through each step, and you'll notice that as you go through each step, there is a live preview on the right-hand side that shows you the settings you've chosen so far. The first thing you're going to do is give it a name. By default, we provide you with one, but if you want to make it a bit more custom, then feel free to change this. Then you decide, who does this get applied to? Is it going to be across all users, or do you want to create separate automations for each of the locations inside of your company? Next, you'll decide which leave type gets the extra days. By default, it'll be the first one in your account, but if you want to apply it to a separate leave type, then you have that option as well. Now we get into the meat of the automation, where you get to decide what the seniority tiers are. You see we give an example right away. And once you click on Add Tier, the preview on the right-hand side will start to populate. Let's say, for example, you want to reward employees after 5 years with an extra 5 days. You can do so simply by entering 5 in the years field and then 5 in the days field. And then you can keep going on and on, adding tiers as you need. Perhaps after 10 years, you want to supply them with another 5 days. Next, you decide when the rules start applying. Is it going to be from today and you're going to ignore all past tiers, or do you want to start from the employee's start date so you can reward employees who have already been at your company for a long period? And then last but not least, you're going to decide when days are added to their balance. Do you want it to be at the beginning of the fiscal year, which is perhaps when your PTO resets, or do you want the days to land on the employee's work anniversary? You also have the option to split the award across the fiscal years, meaning you can prorate it. Once you've gone through all the settings and you've seen the preview and you're happy with exactly what the automation looks like, you can then click on Create Automation, and now it'll be created and then applied to your organization. If you click on the automation, you'll see a summary of all the settings we applied. And of course, if you need to turn it off, you can easily do so by clicking the toggle button. If you want to make changes to the automation, you will first need to delete it and then create a brand new one. But as you saw, it's rather quick to do so. So now, when your users go to check their own leave balances on their profile page, if they select the specific leave type in which we applied the seniority entitlement, by going to the quota card and then hovering on the tooltip, they'll see a breakdown of their total amount of leave, which includes how much came from the seniority entitlement. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. If you want to learn more about seniority entitlement or even other automations, then do be sure to check out our knowledge base, which contains tons of resources on how to use Vacation Tracker and more. And if you run into any issues whatsoever when setting up your own seniority entitlement automation, then don't be shy about reaching out to our support team, either via chat or email.